In this exercise, we're going to use array to save the 6 numbers, then search based on search key. Okay, start with the public static void main input process output. Okay, the first one is getting input for 6 numbers. So we are going to use scanner class. We need to save 6 numbers, so we are going to use array A. Same data type, int up to 6 elements. Import scanner class. Process, there will be 2 inputs. One for array of 6 integer numbers. Okay, the first one will be, let's say A index 0, input next int, looking at the number 10. So we will get number 20, 30, and so on. So we are going to use for loop. Start with index 0 all the way to the last 160. So array the length, one at a time, I++. Okay, it's up to I. Okay, that should be okay. Then second input, enter number to search. So which is going to be 40 as an example. Int, I will say key elements, input, next int, but I'm going to use methods to search key elements with this int array. So let's say search key element. There will be 2 parameters. One is A, array of course, and second one is key element. So let's create a method, static. I'm going to return integer value, search key elements. A is int array, key elements is int. So we're going to return, let's say the position. Okay, so integer value. So let's say system.println. This one's supposed to say if we return false positions, okay, that will be false positions. But we like to have that, let's say, a message at the beginning. Plus, that should be enough. Okay, let me check. Open and close. I think I have one more, so let me remove one parenthesis. So here we're going to return position as an integer value. For example, number 4 as a false positions. So now we need to search with this in the given array A. So start with int I equal to 0. We're going to search through A, so A length depends on size of array, one at a time. So we need one condition, we stop searching. Okay, so if A array start with 0 equal to key elements, then we already found the position, so we got to be careful. Should be I+1. because index start from 0 means number is located on the first positions. So index is 3 means first positions. And let me just put some comments. Okay, that should work. Let me type the same sample data sets, 40, 50, 60. So if we type 40, it should be first position. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are not looking at the index. Okay, we're just looking at the position. Start from 1 to 4. Okay, let's say one more example with different data set. Let's say 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, let's say 900. So it should be third position. Okay, I think that's all. Let me just remove one space.